Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by eliminating the obvious hardware and basic software blocks. First, make sure the laptop's physical Wi-Fi switch, or FN key, is on, and the router shows power and active WAN/WLAN LEDs. This rules out dead hardware. Once done, open Control Panel to confirm the wireless adapter is enabled in Change Adapter Settings. Then launch Windows 7 Network Diagnostics so you capture an error message. This guides the next steps and prevents needless reinstalls. Now focus on software that commonly fails, drivers and IP settings. You open Device Manager to update the wireless adapter driver. If a recent update broke things, roll back or uninstall and scan for hardware changes to reinstall a clean driver. Once done, use an elevated command prompt to run ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flushtons. This rebuilds your IP lease and clears stale DNS entries. Make sure IP4 is set to obtain an IP automatically unless you need a static address. To finalize, reset the network stack so Windows rebuilds core settings, run netch-int IP reset and netch-winsock reset, then reboot both the laptop and the router to reinitialize connections. After reboot, test by pinging 888 and opening a website. Make sure you connect to the correct SSID and enter the right security key. If problems persist, try safe mode with networking or a known good USB Wi-Fi adapter to determine whether the internal wireless card is failing. This single check isolates hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.